Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the comfort zone stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 1. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 7th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we're going to start our sequence. Make 1 chain. Now you're going to make a double crochet over this one you had made. You're going to skip this chain next to this double crochet. You're going to be working into the next one. So the ones that we had already skipped, skip this one, work it into this one over that double crochet you had just made. So that's going to be double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. Now we're going to start making this X stitch again. Skip 2 chains into the next one, double crochet, chain 1, then work double crochet into the first chain that you had skipped out of these 2. So it's going to be this one here. Now we're going to start making these 3 double crochet again. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. We've got to make that X stitch again. Skip 2 chains, make a double crochet into the next one. Make 1 chain. Then make a double crochet over this one you had just made into this first chain that you skipped out of these 2. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. You're going to have 3 chains left at the end of your row. Skip 2 like we had been doing. Make a double crochet into that last one. Make 1 chain. Make 1 double crochet over this one you had just made into the first chain you skipped out of these 2 right here. So it's going to be this one. And then now to finish this row, make 1 double crochet into this same chain where you worked this X cross stitch. So it's going to be this one right here to complete row 1. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Into any previous X stitch, we're going to be making 3 double crochet into that chain space. So you can see that's our first one right here. So we're going to make 3 double crochet into that chain space. And then over any previous 3 double crochet, we're going to be making these X stitches. It's going to be the same sequence. We're just going to be using these 3 stitches. Skip 2 of the next 3 stitches, make a double crochet into the next one, chain 1, make a double crochet over this double crochet you had just made into the first stitch that you skipped. So we skipped these 2 into this first one. So we're going to be making the opposite stitches in the ones that we established in row 1. So next we have an X stitch into this chain space, make 3 double crochet. Next we need to make an X stitch over the next 3 double crochet, skip 2 into this next one, double crochet, chain 1, and then work a double crochet over this one you had just made into the first stitch of the 2 that we had skipped. Into this next X chain space, make 3 double crochet. we need to make an X stitch over this previous 3 double crochet, skip 2, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, and then 1 double crochet into this first double crochet we had skipped. So it's going to be this one here. And then we've come to another X stitch, chain space, make 3 double crochet into that chain space. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have some chains left. Work 1 double crochet into the top of those chains to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. So you would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the comfort zone stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.